Hi, are you ready to get a little bit personal with me today? Because today we're talking about oral hygiene. And if you like using mouthwash, some people like it, some people don't, and that's okay. But if you like using mouthwash, let me show you how to make your own homemade mouthwash that's going to be so much better than what you can buy at the store. The ones you can buy at the store, they can have parabens in them, synthetic ingredients, artificial ingredients, and of course, dyes. If your mouthwash is blue or green, trust me, there's dye in there. Some of them have even more than one dye in them. But with some simple pantry staples, you can make your own homemade mouthwash and you're going to love it. So all you need is a jar, some kind of a jar. I am doing a quart jar here. We're going with 2 cinnamon sticks. So cinnamon, antibacterial, anti-inflammatory. Bam. Cloves. I'm going to do a tablespoon of cloves, and I got to tell you, normally I don't measure. I just do it. But for y'all, we'll measure. Now, cloves are, again, they're antibacterial, anti-inflammatory, and they help keep your breath fresh. And then a little bit of nutmeg, because nutmeg is also antibacterial, and nutmeg can help prevent bad breath so you don't get bad breath in the first place. And I'm just going to give it a few little twirls there. And then oregano. Now, oregano is really good for gum health and for your teeth. It is antibacterial. It's also anti-fungus. And oregano can actually help slow the growth of cavities and help prevent you from getting cavities. So I am doing a whole big heaping tablespoon of oregano. And then all you're going to do is, and put my glove on here, some boiling water. You're going to let this sit for an hour or two, just till it cools down. Let all of this seep in here. And once it's done, you strain it off and you have your own homemade mouthwash. Now, if you want, you could add a couple tablespoons after you strained it of vodka, but honestly, I don't think that it's necessary. The vodka will kill bacteria in your mouth, but I don't think it's necessary. I don't think you need it. But if you want it, you can do it. So there you are, homemade mouthwash. Did you have any idea how simple it could be? Thanks y'all for being here. Let me know if you make some and let me know what you think. I appreciate all of you. I'll see you soon.